Commander Oive, should we attack? Oive, should we attack? Nah, it'll be fine. Oive, there is another monster. Oive, what should we do? Well, I guess they explode. Well, guys, you need to help him. He's going to fall. Thanks, guys. Blimey, there's more! Oive, kill it! It's because I'm Oive. Oive, look out, there's something next to you. Die, twanger. Oive? Oi, hey, I'm right here. That was way too easy. Take that. I'll get this one. You got to be kidding me. There's another one. Let me end this beast. Oive? He's alive! We're gonna need a steel door or something here sometime. Yeah, hooray, Oive! Yeah,